free. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting and beginner-friendly ways to enter the crypto world, earning free crypto. That's right. You don't always have to invest money to start building your portfolio. I'll show you how to earn free cryptocurrency using airdrops, faucets, and rewards programs. Stick around to learn how these methods work, where to find the best opportunities, and how to maximize your earnings with tools and tips. Check the description below for links to trusted tools I mention. Part 1. What are airdrops, faucets, and rewards? 1. Airdrops. Airdrops are free token giveaways distributed by cryptocurrency projects to create buzz or reward early adopters. To participate, you often need to complete simple tasks like signing up for a newsletter, joining a social media channel, or holding a specific cryptocurrency in your wallet. 2. Faucets. Crypto faucets are platforms that give out small amounts of cryptocurrency for completing tasks like captchas, surveys, or watching ads. Although the payouts are modest, they're a great way for beginners to start earning crypto. 3. Rewards. Rewards programs come in many forms, such as earning interest on your crypto holdings, staking coins, or participating in cashback offers. Some platforms even offer crypto as rewards for shopping or using their services. Part 2. How to earn free crypto with airdrops. 1. Follow reliable sources. Airdrops can be announced on official project websites, social media, or platforms like CoinMarketCap and Airdrop.io. Stay updated by following these channels. 2. Complete tasks. Many airdrops require simple tasks, such as joining Telegram groups, following social media accounts, or sharing posts. Always use separate social media and email accounts for airdrop tasks to protect your privacy. 3. Use a secure wallet. Make sure you have a compatible wallet to receive your free tokens. Hardware wallets like Ledger and software wallets like MetaMask are excellent options. Part 3. How to earn free crypto with faucets. 1. Join trusted faucets. Some popular faucets include free Bitco.in and Cointly. These platforms reward users with small amounts of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies for completing tasks. 2. Be consistent. Earnings from faucets can add up over time if you stay consistent. Allocate a few minutes daily to claim rewards. 3. Cash out carefully. Once you've accumulated a reasonable amount of crypto, transfer it to a secure wallet to avoid leaving funds on the faucet platform. Part 4. 3 ways to earn free crypto with rewards programs. 1. Staking rewards. Stake coins like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana on platforms like Binance, Kraken, or dedicated wallets to earn free crypto. 2. Shopping rewards. Platforms like Crypto.com offer cashback rewards in cryptocurrency for purchases made with their debit cards. 3. Interest accounts. Earn interest on your crypto holdings with platforms like BlockFi. Simply deposit your crypto and earn passive income over time. Part 5. Tools and platforms to maximize your earnings. CoinStats. Track your crypto earnings from airdrops, faucets, and rewards all in one place. TradingView. Monitor the value of tokens you earn with detailed charts and market insights. Glassnode. Get on-chain analytics to track airdrop token activity. Koinly and Zen Ledger. Keep your free crypto earnings organized for tax reporting purposes. Part 6. 3 pro tips for earning free crypto. 1. Beware of scams. Not all airdrops and faucets are legitimate. Avoid platforms that require upfront payments or sensitive personal information. Look at my video in the description below on the top 5 cryptocurrency scams. 2. Diversify your methods. Combine airdrops, faucets, and rewards programs to maximize your earnings. 3. Keep your earnings secure. Use hardware wallets to store your free crypto safely and protect your private keys. Look at my video in the description below on secret crypto security tips. Earning free cryptocurrency through airdrops, faucets, and rewards is an excellent way to grow your portfolio without investing money upfront. With the right tools and strategies, you can start building wealth in the crypto space today. Check the description below for links to trusted tools like CoinStats, TradingView, and BlockFi to help you manage and grow your free crypto earnings. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tips and strategies.